morning. I wasn't planning on making this a series for the Golf, but looks like we might have to, so let's have a look. So here is the original turbo being removed from a car. I've actually split it. There's a ring here that holds this in place, but I split it when it was on the car to make it a bit easier to remove. And as you can see, we have some damage on the turbine, so it definitely needed to be replaced. Good fun. And the part that caused the problem with the computer, at least, is this rod here. I pointed that out on the car before. So here is where it was connected to, and you can see here that it's actually broken. And those are the bits that broke. This one, and there's one underneath as well. So this is not repairable, this is just a replacement. But the issue I'm having today, potentially, is here. So this is the outlet for the oil to drain back down into the engine, and if you take note, it's just a flat surface, so you shove the pipe in and it holds in place with an O-ring, and that's good enough. My major concern being that when I put the new turbo in, it's already in the car, sort of loose, but if you look at this pipe here all the way up, when it focuses, you can sort of see that there is a bolt hole at the top there. So this new one looks like it has a provision for a bracket to be installed on that pipe, the drain pipe. But I've just had a chat to the manufacturer. He reckons that's not the case. He says we should just be able to jam that pipe in and it'll hold and not leak or anything. So we're going to start by doing that and see what happens. If it doesn't leak, we're happy. If it does leak, then we have to go and get a bracket made up, or see if we can get an aftermarket upgrade for pipe or something to that effect to make sure it doesn't leak. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens.